Hey, this one is really very important discussion, and I would request your proper attention on this. So it might be a little bit confusing for you, but I'll try my best, as best as possible to explain you. Suppose let's take two co-prime numbers. And I'm taking two co-prime numbers. So the numbers are, say, 3 and 5. Okay, so 3 and 5. Let's write multiples of 3. So this will be 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, then 18, then 21, then 24, then 27, then 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54. Okay, so and so on. This one, multiples of 5. So 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then 35, then 40, then 45, then 50, 55, 60, and so on. So these are some of the multiples of 3 and 5. Now let's find the common multiples. So the common multiples of 3 and 5, when these both are co-prime numbers, so the first one is 15. This is 15. What are the next one? So the next one, you will see that the next one is 30 and 30. What about the next one? So next one is 45 and 45. And similarly, we can find more common multiples of 3 and 5. So let me write it down here. It's 15, then you have 30, then you have 45, and so on. Okay, so till now we have calculated the common multiples of 3 and 5, where 3 and 5 are two co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers actually? Let's just remind it very quickly that co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only single common factor, and that is the number 1. Only 1 will be the common factor of 3 and 5, and there are no other common factors possible for the co-prime numbers. So 15, 30, 45, and so many others will be the common multiples of these two co-prime numbers. Okay, next point. If you can clearly see that the first common multiple is 15, and is it that 3 times 5 is 15, right? The first common multiple. So this is 3 and this is 5, and 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 is the first common multiple of these two co-prime numbers, and this is true for every two co-prime numbers. Okay, I'll give you another example and then we'll discuss the same point. So keep in mind that the first common multiple of any two co-prime numbers, will be the multiplication of those two co-prime numbers. So here 3 times 5 will be 15, and 15 will be the first common multiple, and therefore you found it. Okay, now focus on 30. Is it like this is 15, this is 15 times 2? Is it clear? This 15 times 2 is 30, and this is 15 times 3. And if you try to find out the next common multiple, if I can write it here, this was 54, this will be 57, and this will be 60, and the next common multiple will be 60, and here this is 60, and let me write it down here 60. And if I expand this one, this is 15 times 4. So this is 15, the first common multiple. Next is 15 times 2. The next is 15 times 3, and next is 15 times 4. That is, the first common multiple is 15. The second is twice of 15, that is 30. The third is thrice of 15, that is 45. And the next one will be the 4 times of 15, that will be 60. And the next common multiple will be 5 times of 15, that will be 75. And you can get it by just writing all the common multiples here and here, and you can find that the next common multiple of 3 and 5 will be 75. And the first one was 15, the next one will be twice of 15, the next one will be thrice of 15, the next one will be 4 times of 15, and the next one will be 5 times of 15, the next one will be 6 times, the next one will be 7 times, the next one will be 8 times, and so on. So what's the point here? The point are two, that the first common multiple will be the product of 3 and 5, that is the two co-prime numbers. And then you can find other common multiples of co-prime numbers by just like the pattern is, the next common multiple will be twice of the first one, the third one will be the thrice of first one, the fourth one will be the 4 times of first one, and the fifth one common multiple will be the 5 times of the first one. So this is a trend. Okay, so now you can clearly see that if this is the case, then 15 is that common multiple. 15 is that common multiple which can divide all the other common multiples. Why? Because every other common multiple can be calculated from 15. So you can divide 30 by 15, you can divide 45 by 15, you can divide 60 by 15, you can divide 75 by 15. That is, all other common multiples of these two co-prime numbers, that is 3 and 5 in this case, are divisible by 15, and 15 is the first common multiple of 3 and 5. That is the point. So that means that any number of these two co-prime numbers 3 and 5 which are divisible by 3 and 5 both. So what does that mean? Any number which is divisible by 3 and 5 both means that is a common multiple of 3 and 5. Because if I say that 760 is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then that means that 60 is a common multiple of 3 and 5. If I say that 75 is divisible by both 3 and 5, that means that 75 is a common multiple of 3 and 5. So whatever number that are divisible by both 3 and 5 is a common multiple of 3 and 5, and 15 is that number which can divide all those numbers, all those common multiples. This is the only number which can divide any common multiple of 3 and 5. Why? Always. I said only and always. Why only? So only and always because 15 is the only number which can always divide other common multiples, that all the other numbers which are divisible by 3 and 5. So if you have two co-prime numbers, and if you get the common multiples of those two co-prime numbers, the first common multiple will be the product of those two common numbers. Okay, that is, in this case we have 3 and 5, so 15 is the first common multiple, and all the other common multiples will be, can be calculated from the first one. The second common multiple will be the twice of the first one, the third common multiple will be the thrice of the first one, the fourth common multiple will be 4 times of the first one, and so on. That's what we have discussed till now, and this is true for any co-prime number. You can take for 2 and 8 also. You can take for 2 and, sorry, not 2 and 8, you can take for 2 and 5. You can calculate for 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, 3 and 7. So these are two co-prime numbers. So you can calculate, I mean, I'm just leaving it for you. It's as your assignment work, that you do it, you try to find out all the common multiples of 2 and 5, 3 and 7, and you will find a similar pattern, the similar pattern that we have discussed here. So the first common multiple will be the only number, and only and always that can divide all the other common multiples. And what are common multiples? The common multiples are those numbers that are divisible by, 3 and 5, that is two co-prime numbers.